Kitty, kitty, go!
Hello, friends! Welcome back! Today we are learning even more fun colors. Stick around till the end. We'll be playing a fun color game together. This is purple. Purple is the color of yummy grapes. Look at this big, juicy eggplant. It is purple. Hey, friends, look! This is orange. Like the juicy orange fruit. And pumpkins on Halloween. Let's say it together. Orange. Can you guess what color it is? It's pink! Pink is such a sweet color. It's a cute pink bunny. Wow, it's a yummy pink cotton candy. It's so fluffy. Can you say pink? Say it with me. Pink. This is brown. Brown is the color of chocolate. Yum! It's the color of cute teddy bears too. Can you say brown with me? Brown. Can you spot something brown around you? Awesome! This is black. Black is the color of a cat. And a wheel. It goes round and round. Can you say black with me? This is white. White is the color of snowflakes and marshmallows. Let's say it together. White. This is gray. Gray is the color of elephants. It's the color of rainy clouds too. What else do you know that's gray? Can you say gray with me? Say it with me. Gray. Now it's game time. What color is teddy bear? Brown or pink? It's brown. Good job, friends. Now let's put the teddy in the brown box. What color is the tiger? Orange or purple? It's orange. Friends, you are doing a great job. You are amazing friends. Thanks for playing the color matching game. Please like and subscribe for more learning and fun time. See you soon, friends. Bye.